Hurricane Beryl has left a significant mark across the Caribbean. Originating in the Atlantic Ocean, Hurricane Beryl intensified rapidly as it moved westward towards the Caribbean islands. Beryl has wreaked havoc across the Caribbean, causing extensive damage, destroying 95% of homes on 2 islands in St. Vincent and the Grenadines, as well as disarraying fishing boats in Barbados. By the time it made landfall in Jamaica, the storm packed sustained winds of up to 120 miles per hour. The powerful winds tore roofs off buildings, uprooted trees, and caused widespread power outages across Jamaica. Heavy rainfall added to the chaos, triggering flooding in low-lying areas and further exacerbating the destruction. After affecting Jamaica, Hurricane Beryl continued its westward path, heading towards Mexico's Yucatan Peninsula. Mexican authorities issued alerts and implemented evacuation plans in coastal areas, preparing for the storm's arrival. Amidst the chaos, American tourists visiting the Caribbean found themselves stranded as flights were canceled due to Hurricane Beryl's impact. Many faced uncertainty and challenges in navigating the evolving situation. Communities in South Florida have mobilized in a remarkable show of solidarity. They have launched extensive relief efforts to support the Caribbean islands affected by Hurricane Beryl. Miami-Dade County Commissioner Oliver Gilbert stated, "We are not neighbors, we are family, and we respond like family," Gilbert said. "They don't have the sanctity of an air conditioner or Wi-Fi, and they are not lounging around the pool. They are trying to figure out what they are going to eat next, how they are going to cover their heads, where they are going to sleep, and where their children are going to sleep." Local organizations and volunteers are working tirelessly to collect and distribute essential supplies. This includes food, water, medical provisions, and materials for temporary shelters, ensuring that aid reaches those most in need. As Hurricane Beryl's journey continues, the resilience and support from communities across the Caribbean and South Florida remind us of the power of unity in times of adversity. If you enjoyed this video, please like, subscribe, and share. Thank you for your support.